So kids, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Last time, what we studied, do you remember? A to Z phonic sound. So kids, do you know there are 42 phonic sound? And today, we will learn one by one. So first sound, can you guess what is it? S. Yes, so today we are going to learn about sound S. So, you are interested to listen to my story? Oh, very good. So, do pick a book. It's story time. So, kids, let's start the story. It is a sunny day. A boy takes a dog for a walk. A boy throws the stick and the dog runs after it. The dog started sniffing in the grass. And suddenly what happened? The dog starts barking. Bow, 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 bow. What dog saw? Do you know that? Dog spotted a snake. That is hissing. The boy grabs the dog and the snake slithers away. So kids, tell me, what is the meaning of slithering? Have you seen a snake? Yes. Have you seen its hands and legs? No. Yes, it doesn't have hands and legs. It moves. Yes, that is the meaning of slithering. So, do you love the story? Yes. Now, how we write S? We start from the curvy line, then bend over here and then give the turn. So kids, tell me what starts from S? Yes, there are objects starting from S. Spoon, scissor, and which starts from S? Who said yes? No, it starts from B. Bottle. So now tell me, what did you understood? The sound. Story. Now it's time for song. Are you ready to listen to it? Yes. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. So kids, hope you like my video. Yes. And if you like this video, do hit the like button, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. See you. Sayonara.